What defines a sanctuary? Is it the walls that surround us, or the soul we breathe into them? Today, we witness a metamorphosis. We are deconstructing the ordinary to unveil a $5 million masterpiece. This isn't just a renovation, it is an architectural rebirth. From a dull, lifeless shell to a breathtaking symphony of light oak, matte black steel, and glass, we are redefining the pinnacle of Scandinavian-Luxurious living. Prepare your senses for a journey where every shadow is intentional and every light is a curated emotion. Step closer, the threshold of the future awaits. The approach sets the tone for the entire estate. We replaced the dated facade with a striking interplay of vertical light oak timber slats and bold matte black steel beams. This is the face of the $5 million sanctuary, a study in modern geometry and restraint. Huge glass panels dissolve the boundary between the manicured exterior and the glowing heart of the home. At golden hour, the house doesn't just sit on the land, it radiates from within, signaling a transition from the public world to a private, high-contrast realm of pure architectural elegance. But the true grandeur lies just behind that pivot door. Enter the heart of the home, where volume meets light. The double-height ceiling, supported by exposed matte black rafters, creates an atmosphere of cathedral-like scale. A massive feature wall of fluted light oak serves as the anchor, housing a minimalist fireplace that grounds the airy space. We chose low-profile cream furniture to maintain sightlines, allowing the white microcement floors to reflect the natural light flooding in from the floor-to-ceiling glass. It is a room that feels both infinitely vast and intimately curated. In the master suite, we've prioritized the sanctuary vibe. The aesthetic shifts toward ultimate serenity without losing its professional edge. A custom-designed headboard wall in fluted oak provides a rich, organic texture, while recessed LEDs cast a warm, indirect glow. Every morning, the floor-to-ceiling glass doors invite the sunrise, blurring the line between the plush gray linens and the outdoor horizon. This is not just a place to sleep, it is a meticulously designed environment for mental clarity and sophisticated rest. Indulgence, however, requires a more private water feature. The kitchen is where the home's professional DNA is most visible. We designed a massive waterfall island in white marble, contrasting sharply against the dark, matte black steel fixtures. All appliances are integrated into light oak cabinetry, creating a seamless timber wall that hides the complexity of a chef-grade workspace. The lighting here is functional yet dramatic, highlighting the clean lines and the lack of clutter. It's a space designed for both the high-octane morning rush and the elegance of an evening gala. But where does one go when it's time to work? Suspended like a sculptural element, the mezzanine is the architectural bridge of the house. Crafted with precision-engineered matte black steel and seamless glass balustrades, it offers a dramatic vantage point over the living area. This space serves as a transitional gallery, where the warmth of the light oak flooring creates a soft tactile contrast to the industrial steel. It's a moment of pause, a place to appreciate the structural rhythm and the sheer height of a design that refuses to be confined by standard domestic proportions. Retreat now to where the light turns soft and gold. This is a temple of wellness. The bathroom utilizes a monochromatic palette of white microcement and matte black hardware to create a sharp, high-contrast aesthetic. The centerpiece, a freestanding matte white tub, sits before a private garden atrium, separated only by a sheet of glass. The use of light oak on the vanity prevents the space from feeling cold, adding a layer of Scandinavian warmth to the spa-like atmosphere. It is a masterclass in how minimalism can feel incredibly lush when the materials are of this caliber. The landscape design mirrors the house's architectural precision. In the front yard, we utilized white gravel and concrete steps to create a minimalist, low-maintenance garden. Sculptural bonsai trees are placed like pieces of art in matte black steel planters. At night, recessed LED strips trace the path to the entrance, creating a high-contrast visual hook that makes the house feel like a glowing jewel in the neighborhood. It is the perfect balance of organic life and man-made structure, welcoming guests with quiet confidence. Rising above it all is the rooftop terrace, a sky-high lounge for the ultimate host. A matte black steel pergola provides shade over a custom light oak seating arrangement. The flooring is white microcement, keeping the space cool and bright. Here, the Scandinavian vibe meets the luxurious lifestyle as a modern fire pit provides warmth for cool evenings. With 360-degree views and a glass railing that disappears into the sky, it is the highest expression of the sanctuary's design philosophy. The home office is a power suite of productivity. A heavy slab of light oak serves as the desk, floating on slender matte black legs. We installed floor-to-ceiling bookshelves with integrated lighting to create a backdrop that is both scholarly and modern. Large windows ensure that the Scandinavian element, light, is never in short supply. This room is a testament to the idea that a professional environment can be warm, inspiring, and integrated into the home's overall design language without feeling like an afterthought. The backyard is the ultimate reward, a private oasis centered around a stunning infinity pool. We used weathered light oak for the decking to provide a soft, natural feel underfoot, contrasting with the dark, reflective surface of the water. The rear facade of the house, with its massive glass walls and matte black frames, serves as the backdrop, reflecting the ripples of the pool. It is a space designed for the $5 million lifestyle, high-end entertainment, dramatic lighting, and a total disconnect from the outside world. Thank you for joining us on this architectural odyssey. Transforming a basic house into a $5 million sanctuary requires more than just a budget, it requires a vision that dares to be both dramatic and disciplined. If you felt the inspiration in these transitions and the power of Scandinavian design, ensure you carry that elegance into your own space. This has been a masterclass in luxury. Until the next transformation, keep designing with intent.